everyone. We were thrilled to bring you the latest updates from our March 2024 release. Starting with server enhancements, our primary enhancement is the custom property image export content, which allows you to merge your scheduled dashboard images seamlessly into your email communications. Moving on to the next, now you can generate a personal access token directly from your profile section. This token functions similarly to an OAuth access token and ensures the secure embedding of the dashboard viewer and designer within your application. Last, we've enhanced our group import functionality to handle larger groups with ease. Now, you can import groups with a larger number of users and track the import status every step of the way. Next, we've made a designer enhancement. You can now customize exported files in PDF, CSV, Excel, and image format through the Bold BI DLL. This enhancement allows adding brand elements such as text and logos to exported images and PDFs. Discover additional features through the help link in the description. Moving on to the data source enhancements. The first enhancement is that we've implemented robust support to access JSON responses containing multiple nested levels within the Web Data Source connector. Users can now navigate through complex JSON structures with a smoother and more intuitive experience. Next, users can now customize the day that marks the beginning of the week. When setting the data language to UK, the expression will identify Monday as the first day of the week. Conversely, if we choose US as the data language, the expression will recognize Sunday as the week's starting day. The same results can be obtained in widget aggregations. Furthermore, users can adjust date-part expressions to suit their preferences by utilizing the data language property. Next, I'm excited to announce a significant enhancement: dynamic connection string support for Google BigQuery with service account authentication. With this update, users can dynamically manage their connection strings. For our next enhancement, we've introduced support for utilizing custom attributes within the expression editor. Now, users can incorporate their own defined attributes. Next, introducing the latest TiDB connector, enabling seamless integration with open-source NewSQL database. Next, we have the addition of the Elasticsearch connector to Bold ETL. Connect and transfer data frame values into your destination database and seamlessly visualize the results using Bold BI. Moving on to the embedded enhancements. Our first enhancement is the introduction of the Load Multitab Dashboard method, which enables the rendering of multiple dashboards programmatically in JavaScript-based embedding, eliminating the need to create a multi-tab dashboard on the Bold BI server. Our second enhancement for JavaScript-based embedding is the addition of the Nonce API to bypass content security policy restrictions, strictly for fetching Bold BI dependencies. The final JavaScript-based embedding enhancement is the use of LoadView to render dashboards with filters by view ID or name. In this video, I covered the exciting new features and improvements in the March release of Bold BI. You can also refer to the help links provided in this video's description. You can download this latest version of Bold BI from the account page link provided in this video's description. I have also provided a link in the description to the page where you can sign up for a free 15-day trial if you are new to Bold BI. Thanks for watching.